Can I make a suggestion? Why don't you buy a normal shelf instead of this makeshift something? Okay, how about moving this sofa closer to the window? It's too dark in this corner. Okay, I've got an idea. How about you throw away this dowdy sofa and put some nice armchairs here? That will look a lot more elegant. Maybe you should think about changing the wallpaper. Have you tried hiding those ugly cables? Maybe I could recommend a few interior design studios. Now hello, you're watching in English. My name is Ina and today I'm teaching you how to make a suggestion. So you start with a simple question. Can I make a suggestion? Can I make a suggestion? You can then continue by saying, why don't you, plus a verb. Why don't you buy a normal shelf instead of this makeshift something? Another option is to ask how about. How about plus a gerund, or how about you followed by a verb. Okay, how about moving this sofa closer to the window? It's too dark in this corner. Okay, I've got an idea. How about you throw away this dowdy sofa and put some nice armchairs here? That will look a lot more elegant. To make a suggestion, you can also use have you tried followed by gerund. Have you tried hiding those ugly cables? You can give advice by saying maybe you should followed by a verb. Maybe you should think about changing the wallpaper. And finally, you can offer help by saying maybe I could plus a verb. Maybe I could recommend a few interior design studios. Now have a look at these questions again. They're the ones that you can use to make a suggestion. Can I make a suggestion now? Why don't you practice in the comments? What would you say to a person who has been writing an important email all day and has just deleted it by mistake? And what about a person who's trying to lose weight but does not see any changes? What would you say? Oh, and one more thing. How about you hit the subscribe button, click the bell, and come back for another video. You've been watching in English. My name is Ina. See you!